So over here you can see that I have a blank space, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush tool right here, and then I'm going to select out a large brush, and I have a vector layer right here, so I'm just going to go around and draw around right here. So if you want to change out the shape of drawing after you've edited, that is after you've drawn, then you can go around onto the left side and click and hold on the selection tool right here. And then here you can see contour editor is an option that you can select. So now what you can do is you can go around and click on the editor right here, and you can see that you see these little points, and you can click and drag around these points over here, as you can see, and change them according to how you like it, just like this. So what you can also do is you can hold Alt on your keyboard right here to actually go around and turn a contour onto a point. Hold Alt and click, and you can see that that becomes a point right here. If I were to click and drag, you can see that it changes around the contour right here. And if I were to hold Alt, you can see that you get the Bezier curves right here, which allows you to change out the curveness right here, as you can see. You can go around, click and drag this, and you can double click on this to get the Bezier as well, just like this. If you want to delete out points, you can select out a point that you want. So let me just select this. Then you can hit the delete key. You can click on this right here, hit the delete key. Click on one contour point, hit the delete key right here, and so forth to actually go around and delete out details as well. So here you can see that you can go around and then you can click and drag to add in contour points as well. So you can click and drag around on the blank spots over here, as you can see. So let me just go around and click right here, and you can see that you can go around and add in points over here just like this as well for added detail. So that is how you can work around with contour editor inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.